Astronomers have discovered the origins of a galactic issue with the discovery of an ancient dark matter halo. Astronomers have detected what they believe to be one of the earliest instances of galactic consumption, when one galaxy consumes one of its smaller neighbors, in an ultra-faint dwarf galaxy called Tucana 2. The findings stem from the discovery of an ancient dark matter halo located in galaxy that is 163,000 light-years away from Earth. Tucana 2 is just one of the dozens of dwarf galaxies surrounding the Milky Way. They are thought to be artifacts left over from the first galaxies in the universe. Tucana 2 is considered to be one of the most primitive galaxies close to the Milky Way. In a new research published recently, astrophysicists detected 9 previously unknown stars at the edge of Tucana 2. Using the Sky Mapper telescope in Australia and the Magellan telescopes in Chile, the stars are shockingly far away from its center, but remain in the small galaxy's gravitational pull. The configuration of stars provides the first evidence that the galaxy contains an extended dark matter halo, a region of matter 3 to 5 times larger than what scientists originally believed, in order to keep a gravitational hold on its distant stars. The findings suggest that the earliest galaxies in the universe were much more massive than previously believed. Tucana 2 has a lot more mass than we thought, in order to bound these stars that are so far away. One of the researchers said that it means that other relic first galaxies probably have these kinds of extended halos as well. Every galaxy is believed to be held together by a halo of dark matter, a type of hypothetical matter thought to make up over 85% of the universe. But the new discoveries represent the first time one has even detected this item in an ultra-faint dwarf galaxy. Without dark matter, galaxies would just fly apart. Dark matter is a crucial ingredient in ensuring that a galaxy is held together. Scientists also found that these far-flung stars are older than the stars at Tucana 2's core, the first evidence of such an imbalance in this type of galaxy. Their discovery points to the possibility that the galaxy could be the product of one of the first mergers between 2 galaxies in the universe, which scientists refer to as galactic consumption. We may be seeing this first signature of galactic consumption. One galaxy may have eaten one of its slightly smaller, more primitive neighbors, that then spilled all its stars into the outskirts. Using a telescope's imaging filter, astronomers are able to study the metal content of a galaxy's stars to determine just how primitive it is. They mentioned that previously they found stars at Tucana 2's core with such low metal content that the galaxy was identified as the most chemically primitive of the known ultra-faint dwarf galaxies. New research found the outer stars were 3 times more metal poor than the ones at the center, making them even more primitive. This probably also means that the earliest galaxies that were formed in much darker matter halos than previously thought. We have thought that the first galaxies were the tiniest, wimpiest, and weakest of galaxies, but they actually may have been several times larger than we thought, and not so tiny after all. An early galactic merger is one likely explanation for the imbalance. Galactic consumption occurs constantly across today's universe, but mergers in the early universe are not so certain. Tucana 2 will eventually be taken in and consumed by the Milky Way. There will be no mercy, and it turns out this ancient galaxy may have its own consumption history. The team hopes to use their approach to discover even older, more distant stars in other ultra-faint dwarf galaxies. Currently, many persons are fascinated by the theory of dark matter. There is no problem that is greater than this to the importance of cosmology than that of dark matter. Dark matter is composed of particles that do not absorb, reflect, or emit light, so they cannot be detected by observing electromagnetic radiation. Dark matter is material that cannot be seen directly. We know that dark matter exists because of the effect it has on objects that we can observe directly. Scientists and researchers have studied dark matter by looking at the effects it has on visible objects. Scientists believe that dark matter may account for the unexplained motions of stars within galaxies. Through the use of computer models, they have realized that this plays an important role in the search for this item. This allows scientists to create models which predict galaxy behavior. Satellites are also being used to gather dark matter data. In 1997, the Hubble Space Telescope images revealed light from a distant galaxy cluster being bent by another cluster in the foreground. Based on the way the light was bent, scientists estimated that the mass of the foreground cluster was to be 250 times greater than the visible matter in the cluster. Scientists believe that dark matter in the cluster accounts for the unexplained mass. They have produced many theories about what exactly dark matter may be. Some believe that it may be normal objects such as cool gases, dark galaxies, or massive compact halo objects called macros. They would include black holes and brown dwarfs. Other scientists believe that dark matter may be composed of strange particles which were created in the very early years of the universe. Such particles may include axions, weakly interacting massive particles called WIMPs or neutrinos. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the existence of dark matter and, of course, the consumption nature of galaxies that have been discovered from the earlier days of the realms of the universe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.